This is Yowit here. Sorry we haven't been online for a while, but I got injured at work on February 26th of 2010. It is now March 7th, and I can't start my car. You're wondering, well, if you injured yourself, no wonder you can't start your car. Well, I can with my left hand, but I'll get into that later. The purpose of this video is to give advice on my car. Just so you know, I can't hear any noises under the hood. No fuel pump, no injectors, nothing. It just cranks over and doesn't even sputter or fire. So that is basically it. For my car anyway. So anybody that's a Crown Vic owner that's from 1998 and newer, but mind you, I have a ex-cop car, so that might have some bearing. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I got injured, and hit me up on some messages here for advice what to do. Thank you, and have a good day. Yowit out.